Welcome to Big Cheese Outdoors. I'm Big Cheese, and we're heading to the outdoors, everybody. Right now, guys, I'm just on the trail going into Whiskey Jack Lake. Right now it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. It's a little bit wet out here because it rained last night, but it's nice and cool, which is pretty nice. So today I'm hiking in and I'm going to borrow one of the canoe club's canoe. I'm going to do a canoe tour around the lake and hopefully check out the campsites and stuff that are there. So you guys have a great day. Enjoy the second part of this video, and we'll see you soon, everybody. I just wanted to say to the Borealis Canoe Club, really appreciate you guys putting the canoes out here. That is awesome. So I'm going to go out here now and borrow one of those canoes, guys, and check out Whiskey Jack Lake. So guys, I've seen lots of signs of bears out here today, fresh signs. I've seen a few new bear scats. So every now and again I'm going to go, "Hey bear! Hey bear!" Just so they know I'm coming around the corner, because I don't want to go around the overgrown corner and go face to face with a bear. So, and I do have my my bear spray handy this morning, because you never know out here when you're going to run into a bear, guys. It's always good to be bear aware and bear safe. We are here again, everybody. Whiskey Jack Lake. So I just pulled up to the, I guess what you would call it the main campsite. And this place is awesome. They got a nice picnic table here. Looks like it's brand new. A little bit of a fire pit. There's a sign here for the loo. Don't mind if I do. They just put this in here recently, I think. They had a float plane come out here, and a few people came out here and installed the loo out here. So we're gonna have a looky-loo at the loo. Donated by Paddle Alberta. Thank you, Paddle Alberta. That is awesome. They got the loo out here. They must have had some hard working out here digging. This place is unreal. This is definitely going to be home to a future camping video. The loo is working, everybody. It's my favorite time of day, everybody. Coffee time. Cheers, everybody. Let's get some nice coffee here. Oh yeah. That really hits the spot, guys. I got another builder's bar here. Those are pretty decent. So guys, I just wanted to say cheers to you guys. This has been a pretty awesome experience coming out here. Yesterday hiking out here with my wife, finding the way out. And today, hiking out here again, and then jumping in a canoe. I also wanted to give a huge cheers to the Borealis Canoe Club. Because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be out here doing this right now, because they're the guys that are clearing the trails, leaving the 2 canoes out there in the paddles, and making this awesome campsite. So cheers to you guys. You guys are awesome. This is awesome. And I thank you for it. There we go, everybody. That was Whiskey Jack Lake by Canoe. That was awesome. There's the canoe I was using. Thanks again to the Canoe Club. But now it's time to motor out of here, everybody. The weather's changing a little bit now. I was hearing thunderclaps in the distance, and it's really clouded over right now, dark clouds, so it's time to get out of here, everybody. We'll talk to you guys in a bit. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this two-part series to Whiskey Jack Lake. The first day was just all about finding our way in here and finding the trail, and then making our way to the lake. Today was all about coming out, jumping in a canoe, and exploring the lake, and seeing the campsites and stuff like that. So the whole weekend was absolutely amazing. Yesterday, hiking in with my wife was amazing. Couldn't ask for a better day, that was awesome. And today, what a great canoe out there, guys. That water quality was awesome today. That was unreal. And the weather is a little bit cloudy, so it's not very hot, so that was awesome. So anyways, everybody, to whoever's watching the video right now, guys, I really appreciate it. I'd also appreciate it if you subscribe to the videos, gave it a like, and shared it with your friends. Guys, I'm Big Cheese, and you're watching Big Cheese Outdoors. We'll see you on the next one, everybody.
I spent it in good company.
My turn to fall.